a while since I put videos out, but things are pretty busy here. We're working on the Polaris 550 XP. It's a 2010. This is just a little drive shaft that goes to, or a little shaft that goes to the rear diff. The U-joints are just hammered on this thing. And we're just doing a little quick video here just so at least we give you something. I don't have my sound equipment and all that jazz. So we're just going to pound this out so you guys can get a little bit of an idea how this works. You do need a vise, or a vise is handy to do this. Here, I'll show you. One thing you got to do is get these little clips out. Show you what they look like. They're little half moon clips. Just like that. They hold the joint in. Bam. I know. My thing isn't even attached because I had my chainsaw sharpener here. You can see the clip right in there. Okay. And make sure you're wearing glasses. You get your safety glasses on, son? No, Dad. You didn't give me any. I'm an abusive father. Hey? You know, when he doesn't talk, it usually means he abuses me. Now, I just have an old beat up screwdriver. When the edge is kind of busted off it, I just find it works out really well for doing this kind of stuff. One more right there. You can see how it sort of sticks itself out. See? It gives me a little bit of room right there. Can you see that guy? Mm-hmm. Starts to move that cap off there. Other side. You could heat that up, I suspect. There's that one. There's that one. Oh, thank you. That's it. Now for this. That's it. All done. So one thing I found, I mean, I haven't done too many U-joints. I used to do them a long time ago on my Land Cruisers and whatnot, but I've never done these little goofy ATV ones. But it's sort of better to do the shaft side first, if you will. And make sure that these little needle bearings in here don't fall down. If one falls down and inside there, you won't be able to compress the cups enough to actually you know, get the clips in. See, if you do that,
that's push them back in with the screwdriver.
Push what back in?
If
the needles.
if
Yeah,
the needle falls.
For sure. You can. I should be able to just flick that in. Bam. Flop it in there. I just sort of put it midway. And then I actually broke my vise, cracked the back of it off, so it's a little funky right now. If you put it too far out on your vise, the vise might sort of close not exactly straight and flat. So I just sort of do one of these. Put that about midway, and I start to squeeze those cups in. I loosen it off a little bit. And I'll just sort of twist it up. One of those. Shut my safety glasses on. One of those. This just ensures it sort of goes a little better. See, I got one there. There. Now the big thing is that one of the things to look for. I apologize for lighting in here. Not very good. Is that the distance between this side and this side? You can put them all the way in. You can push this universal joint all the way in. If you can't move it in, then there's a needle. One of those little needles fell off and it smashed in there. It's got to push all the way to the side. There's a little bit of, there's not supposed to be that, that play in it. So I'm just going to collapse that a little more. And all I use for that, one of the old cups. Put it on top of there. Pat it down. You'll see. Just exposes the little groove. And just popped in. I need to do the same for the other side. Okay. Ooh, you stuff on the ground. There we go. We heard the click. Easy enough. It was just a little too compressed on there, so I just took a little bit of the tension out. Just did that. Because, it felt like it was almost binding. This one's got a little bind in it, too. I just pressed the caps in a little too tight. Better. Makes sense, right, bud? At least that's it. Can't really even see that. It's bad light, eh? But we've got new joints in there. This has, 5,000 kilometers on it? Or miles? 5,000 miles, kilometers, whatever. Never been sort of serviced. The whole bike was never serviced. That's it. There you go. Well done. Don't mind my table. I screwed up my epoxy job. Gotta redo it. How she rolls. Thanks for joining me here at Power Mods. More vids just coming. Let's go put this in the bike.